In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily join a tournament on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com account, and once you've done that, first of all, hover your mouse somewhere right here where it says play, and then click at play. After that, you will be taken to the page that looks like that. Then click at new game right over here. And that's where you can easily find upcoming tournaments. I got 2 different game modes tournaments right over here. We can easily join them by clicking at the plus sign. However, if you would like to get the full list of all the tournaments, click right here. That's where you can find a bunch of different tournaments in that list. We can search for a specific one. We can filter them by types and formats in here. And basically, to join a tournament, just click at join button next to the tournament's name. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.